Hey everyone, I just wanted to do an update video on my Britannia Composites Lynx R fairing for the CRF250L. In my previous video, the only complaint I had about this was this hardware down here. I had lost one of the nuts off of it, but I actually contacted them and they've got a new kit that uses these spacers inside the rubber bushings, and then it comes with lock nuts. So that's an upgrade from the one I had. I had one of the early versions, and they've since remedied that one issue I had. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on there, and everything should be good. I'm a little over 6'2", and with this, I believe they call it the touring windshield now. They have a sport one that's cut down a little bit, but with this touring windshield, I'm actually out of the wind. If I sit back on the seat a little bit, my head is completely out of the wind. If I sit normally on the seat, my helmet's in the wind just enough to catch air through the vents and keep me cool. So I really like that. I've had no issues with any of the hardware, obviously, other than this, but they've since fixed that. The lights are doing great. You know, I've got zero complaints. Nothing has gone wrong. Still got all my stuff mounted on it, and it's got, I'd say 6,000 miles on it, probably 6,000 or 7,000 miles of use on it, and I absolutely love it. I should have done this to the bike first. It makes a world of difference. So you know, it's a lot of people that I've talked to on internet forums and stuff say, oh yeah, it looks great, and except for the price, but really it's completely worth it. The fact that you get upgraded lighting, the fact that you get an adjustable windshield, the fact that you get a dashboard. If you tried to do all that stuff individually, it'd cost just as much, and this is everything in one package, and it's proven and it works. So if you're thinking about it, absolutely go for it. It's a great product, great company, great customer service. Can't recommend them highly enough.